PMT's docking station for the Dell Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme tablet is manufactured from CNC machined aluminum to provide a rugged mounting solution with an ultra-slim, low-profile design. This low-profile design aids to minimize protrusion within a vehicle's operating space, which helps to maximize occupant safety and comfort. An easy-to-operate one-handed latching system makes docking and undocking the device fast and simple, while the key locking mechanism increases device security and assists in theft deterrence. A cutout on the dock backplate allows easy use of the tablet's card reader on the rear of the tablet, while a laser-cut slot design provides airflow for the device's ventilation cooling fan. Access to all of the tablet's connector ports as well as the tablet's control buttons is possible while the Dell 7230 device is docked to make operating and accessing all functions and features simple and straightforward. Connector port replication on the PMT docking stations includes power input, USB-C, dual USB-A, Gigabit Ethernet and RS-232 serial, plus optional quad RF pass-through with SMA connectors. On the front of the docking station, connector pins are designed to minimize risk of damage with floating connectors and protective shrouds. The rear mounting bracket uses a universal VESA 75 hole pattern to make integrating this new docking station easy and fast to speed up installation time, helping keep vehicle downtime to a minimum and fleets operational and on the road. While the cable tie rail results in a tidy, organised and clean looking install and helps to prevent unwanted cable disconnects. Finished in high durability black epoxy powder coat and anodizing, this lightweight aluminum constructed docking station from PMT will be easy to maintain and continue to provide rugged reliability for years to come in all mission-critical situations, featuring PMT's 3-year warranty on electronic components and limited lifetime warranty on all metal parts. PMT's docking station for the Dell Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme 12-inch tablet. Rugged, reliable, responsive.